In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots on Steam. Capturing moments from your games is quick and built right into Steam, and the best part is that it only takes a single key press. Here's how it works, what to expect on screen, and a few tips to make sure it goes smoothly every time. While you're inside a game that you're running through Steam, simply press the F12 key on your keyboard. That's the default Steam screenshot hotkey. You don't have to pause the game or open any menus, just tap F12 at the exact moment you want to save. This works during gameplay, in cutscenes, and even in photo modes provided by the game, because Steam listens for that key while the game is active. Right after you press F12, Steam automatically saves the screenshot for you. There's nothing extra you need to do in that moment. You'll see a small screenshot saved message appear in a corner of your screen. It's subtle, so don't worry if it fades quickly. That's normal. The confirmation is just letting you know the capture worked, and you can keep playing without interruption. If you want multiple angles or a rapid series of shots, you can press F12 again later, and each tap will save another image. A couple of quick clarifications help set expectations. The F12 shortcut only works while you are inside a Steam game. If you're on your desktop or in a non-Steam window, pressing F12 won't do anything in Steam, and that's by design. Also, some keyboards place the function keys under a special layer, so make sure the F12 function is active on your keyboard. If your game also uses F12 for something else, you might see both actions happen at once. Steam will still capture the screenshot in the background. Behind the scenes, Steam takes care of organizing and storing your screenshots. Each image is saved to your Steam Screenshots library and also kept on your computer, grouped by the game you were playing and stamped with the time it was taken. That means you don't have to worry about saving locations in the heat of a match or a boss fight. Your shots are safe and ready to review after you're done playing, and that's all there is to it. Inside any Steam game, press F12, watch for the quick screenshot saved message in the corner, and Steam will automatically store your image for later. Keep this in mind the next time you land a clutch play, discover a beautiful vista, or just want to document